Mila, no, you not talk to me, no, Virgin.
Well, stick up in it. I got somewhere to be.
Mila, glad you're home. Making okay. Okay, baby girl, you can go in. He might expect you. Just make sure you don't say nothing to him. Make him do all the talking.
Okay, Miss Bev.
Is where you come from.
Reading.
Sit down and look at. No, no, miss, no, miss, no, man, no good news. Just sick, sick, bad, bad, sick, bad, no good news at all.
Is what you mean by mistake. Is what you mean by mistake. You know I'm not promoting that place I know. Miss Bev. Miss Bev.
Yes, Mila, it's what
Miss
happened to you.
Bev.
When they, let me tell you, don't worry. We'll figure something out. Don't worry, man, don't cry. Hush, 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 dear, dear. There, little one. Everything is going to be okay, yeah? Melba will go make some tea. So what are you going to do? You're going to take a taxi, go home?
Okay, Miss Bev. Maureen check
All right,
you.
dearie, my God.
Why is a beautiful lady like you on the road crying? Tell me, who trouble you?
I'm fine.
Well, I just get a bath from Mr. Charlie and I feel like a new man.
Well, Mr. Charlie tell me that I am sick. So I don't...
That's why you cry. No pain, no mind, man. You just have a light by you when I like. I like you, you know. I can't take you out sometime or later.
I have a man and kids.
But do you have a husband? I would take your number, but I lost my phone. I want you to come check me on any night at 8 p.m. at 1 Cumbersome Lane. Let's sit and have a talk.
Don't elaborate. I have to go now. My kids are waiting on me.
Mila, I love you. You're not gonna say you love me too?
Guy, you better, Rankin.